Hi everyone, it's Marissa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair video. Like I said in my last one, I really want to start doing more hair videos as well as makeup videos. So here is my wash and go routine. I start off with a Pantene detangling leave-in cream. I do detangle my hair in the shower, but once I get out of the shower, I just like to apply this first before I start anything with my hair, just because I think it helps keep the knots out while I'm styling, as well as throughout the week. I find that when I use this, my hair just stays more detangled throughout the week. So anyway, I just divide my hair into two parts, as you can see, and I apply the product and just sort of rake it through and just apply it evenly. And then I take a comb and just brush it through my hair just to make sure that any kinks are out of my hair, which they typically are. Like I said, I do detangle in the shower. So yeah, this is just a precaution so I don't start adding more product while my hair is still detangled. Second, I go in with the Urban Hydration Coconut Oil Styling Cream. I featured their products a few times on my channel. I really love their products a lot. So I just go in with this as well, raking it through the two sections of my hair like I did with the leave-in. And I just apply a little more than a dime-sized amount. My curls in the front do tend to clump, so I just kind of take that through and make sure they're not clumped up. And I just do a side part. I love doing a side part. And I did apply the product to the second half. I just didn't show that part because I don't want this video to be 30 minutes long. So yeah, I just take the comb through once more after I do my part, comb it through, make sure all the product is evenly distributed through all of my hair. So then I part my hair into halves, half of my hair, and then part it into two more halves, as you can see. And then I'm going to take Diva Curl. This is the gel, which I love. This is like one of my favorite products. And then I also apply this as well, raking it through, as you can see. I just find that this really leaves my curls really defined using this gel. If you have any other gel recommendations, please let me know. I'm really looking for some new products. And I love trying new products. So if you have any recommendations, just feel free to leave them in the comments. But again, I just divide my hair into equal parts, separate these into halves as well. I love these little clippies from the beauty supply store. They're like so cheap. You get like a pack for like $1, at least in New York. I don't know, we're in Brooklyn. I don't know about anywhere else, but they are super cheap and so convenient. But yeah, I'm just applying this through all of my hair before we start diffusing. And I actually picked up this Diva Curl gel at a sample sale in New York, which was so cool. I got so many products. There's this place, I can't remember the name, but it's like $2.60 sample sale if you live in New York. They do a bunch of different kinds of sample sales, especially beauty ones. And they did this gigantic Diva Curl one, so I was able to get like a bunch of goodies, like the shampoo, the conditioner, or it's called like No Poo, but I haven't used that in a long time. But yeah, I just scrunch my hair once I'm done applying all my products, and then we're going to move on to diffusing. The diffuser I use is from Curly Co. I love this diffuser. They sell it on Amazon, and I think they have their own website as well, if I'm not mistaken. I love it. It just attaches right onto whatever kind of hair dryer you have. So this is just like a cheap one from like Walgreens. It was like $8 or something. It's not expensive at all, and it just clips right on, as you can see. And then I just expand it out and I'm ready to go. So for diffusing, I just sort of take each I don't really take each part of the hair. It's really hard. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but you kind of just take your hair and then just move the the diffuser up and down, if that makes sense. Careful to not like shake it around a lot, because then your hair is going to turn out like really frizzy. But yeah, you just, and right now I have it on low heat. I have it on cool, the heat setting, and then I have it on low. And then I do this low first, and then I move up to high later on in the video. I like to start off with low and then go up to high. But as you can see, I'm just moving up and down, taking half of the hair, I guess you can say, and just working on that section first. So once my hair is like 25% dry, I guess you can say, I do like to go ahead and move it up to high. And that just really intensifies the power of it, obviously. And I just do the same thing, moving up and down. And as you can see, my curls are starting to shrink up a little bit. That's obviously because they're drying up a little. So yeah, I just continue the same thing, going up and down into the two sections until my hair is dry enough. Ignore that scar on my hand if you saw it. I fell a couple weeks ago, so it's still scabbing over. I fell outside. There's this gigantic hole outside my apartment, and it was nighttime and I couldn't see, and I fell into the hole. So yeah, that was pretty embarrassing, and a bunch of people saw me. So I have a scab on my elbow, on my hand, and also on my knee. So I had to buy like Juvederm, or what's that stuff called? Mederma? I don't know. That's stuff for scars. I gotta buy that, because I don't want to be left with like this ugly scar on my, not that it's ugly, but anyway, we're just continuing. I totally got off track there with the diffusing. And diffusing isn't something I do all the time, because I don't like to put a lot of heat on my hair. It's just that it's winter time and I don't want to go out with my hair like super cold in New York, so you know, I have to wait for the subway and whatnot, so I just don't like to go outside with like super damp hair. I typically diffuse until my hair is like 80% dry, I guess you can say, and then I let the rest air dry throughout the day. But this definitely helps to speed up the air drying process, because my hair takes forever to air dry. But yeah, I love this diffuser. I haven't tried any others, so I don't have anything to compare it to, but I just love the results I get, and my hair never looks like frizzy or anything. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of what my hair looks like throughout the week, just so you can get an idea of how it looks. But yeah, this is how my hair pretty much looks when it's done diffusing. I'll give you guys a full view. Yeah, so I'd say at this point my hair is like 80% dry. I will insert photos, like I said, of like day 1 versus day 3 hair shortly. But yeah, this is how it looks immediately after diffusing. So this is about 30 minutes after diffusing. As you can see, it looks very detailed and, not detailed, but defined, shiny, even though it's like really dry. And then this is actually day 4 hair. So my hair still has shine. It does have frizz, but I like that it gets frizzy over the days on. But you can see diffusing really allows your hair to stay pretty good. I mean, considering this is day 4 hair. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.